What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax, and today we are coming to you from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile, Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Been a few weeks since we've been on site here. A lot of stuff is preventing us from getting down here, but it's going to be really exciting to see what has been the focus for a lot of these crews. Major Christmas storm coming in. We're expecting 8 inches of rain, which is much more than we had in the last storm. I'm expecting to see a lot of preparations, battening down the hatches. It's going to be really fascinating to see how that living sculpture in the southeast side is all coming together. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. Oh, buddy. Yeah, let's get a good one. Let's get a good one. Like we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video. Give us a comment, for better for worse. All that goes a long ways in keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that decent December content. So without further ado, let's go.